How's it going here, future voters? It's Sean Gannon here, future President of the United States of America, and we got a beer review for you. We have the Lucky 7 Porter right here, okay, from the, Evolution Craft Brewing Company. I believe they're out of Salisbury, Maryland right there. So let's go pop it open, pour it, talk about it, drink it, all the good stuff. We got a porter right here. Boom. Look at that pour. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, what does it say online? Lucky 7 Porter on their website. ABV 5.8%, IBUs 24. Black with garnet highlights. This porter is rich and full-flavored with notes of chocolate, coffee, and smoke, playing off the sweeter toffee and dark, dried fruit tones. Pairs well with smoked meats, bacon, oysters, barbecue, and chocolate. Well, has a nice dark color to it. I mean, it smells like a porter. I'm getting that coffee notes, and definitely the chocolate, and a little caramel. I like it. It always surprises me when I have a porter. I feel more carbonation than I can see. So it almost looks like a flat beer, and when you drink it, you can feel that carbonation. Not necessarily that it's more carbonated than other beer, but you definitely can taste that chocolate, coffee, and toffee flavor just going around the palate there. When you really move it over your tongue, you can taste all the different flavors they're talking about it. Now, am I going to get the dark, dried fruit tones they talk about here? I'm not getting it. Doesn't mean it doesn't exist. I just have a hard time finding it, tasting it. I can see what they say about smoked meats, bacon, being good with this, barbecue, obviously chocolate. Oysters aren't really my thing, so I don't think anything really goes with oysters, but that's my personal preference there. And they might have to mention that being near the Chesapeake Bay. But yeah, full flavor. It's not lacking everything. It's very full flavor, very balanced. I like that. It's a very balanced beer for porter. And porters are one of those beers that are slowly creeping up, and me enjoying them. I used to not really be a porter. It was never my go-to beer, but they're creeping up. I'm liking them. So overall, I think this is a good porter. Really everything with Evolution you can't go wrong with that I've had so far. But either way, I think this is a good porter. So I'm going to give it a final score. I guess a 3.5 out of 5, actually, for this beer. Not bad. I didn't expect myself to enjoy this as much before I had it, because, again, porters weren't my thing. But nonetheless, 3.5 out of 5 for this porter by the Evolution Craft Brewing Company. So I will see you next time on my next pour, and this is Sean Gannon here, signing off. You might like that.